Taurus pistols, crafted with Brazilian ingenuity and precision, offer shooters a blend of affordability, reliability, and innovation. Known for their commitment to providing high-quality firearms at accessible price points, Taurus offers a diverse range of handguns suitable for self-defense, concealed carry, and sport shooting. Models like the Taurus G2C and Taurus PT92 exemplify the brand's dedication to ergonomic design and dependable performance. Additionally, Taurus has expanded its lineup with innovative offerings like the Taurus TX22, a striker-fired .22 LR pistol ideal for training and recreational shooting. With a focus on value and functionality, Taurus pistols continue to garner praise among shooters worldwide. Now let's get started. Number 10. Taurus G3 9mm Pistol. Prioritizes affordability and functionality for concealed carry, target practice, and home defense. Chambered in the popular 9mm Luger caliber, it offers a balance between manageable recoil and sufficient stopping power. This Brazilian-made pistol features a lightweight polymer frame for comfortable carry, while the Tenefer finish slide ensures exceptional durability. The Taurus G3 boasts a striker-fired action with a smooth, consistent trigger pull. Safety features include a striker block and a manual safety, prioritizing user control during operation. Sights include a fixed white dot front sight and a serrated adjustable rear sight, allowing for quick target acquisition in various lighting conditions. With its 17-round magazine capacity, user-friendly controls, and multiple grip sizes for personalized fit, the Taurus G3 9mm emerges as a compelling choice for value-conscious shooters seeking a reliable and versatile everyday carry or target shooting pistol. Number 9. Taurus Spectrum 380 Auto Micro Pistol. It offers a balance between manageable recoil and sufficient stopping power for personal defense situations. This American-made micro pistol features a unique soft-touch polymer frame and slide that absorbs some of the recoil for comfortable shooting, even for users with smaller hands. The Taurus Spectrum boasts a double-action-only operation, allowing for a deliberate first shot and a smooth single-action pull for subsequent shots. Safety features include an internal drop safety and a Taurus security system with a keyed lock for added peace of mind. The Spectrum comes with 2 magazines, a flush 6-rounder for deep concealment and a 7-rounder with an ergonomic finger extension for better grip and faster reloads. With its user-friendly design, manageable recoil, and multiple safety features, the Taurus Spectrum 380 Auto emerges as a compelling choice for those seeking a comfortable and concealable option for everyday carry. Number 8. Taurus G2C. Blends affordability with reliable performance in a compact 9mm Luger package. This Brazilian-made pistol caters to everyday carry users seeking a comfortable and practical option. The G2C features a lightweight polymer frame that reduces weight for comfortable all-day carry, while the Tenefer finish steel slide ensures exceptional durability. It boasts a striker-fired action with a smooth, consistent trigger pull for improved accuracy during defensive situations. Safety features include a Taurus security system with a keyed internal lock for safe storage and a loaded chamber indicator for user awareness. Sights are fixed, a blade front sight for quick target acquisition, and a rear sight for basic windage adjustments. With its 12-round magazine capacity, user-friendly controls, and ambidextrous features like the manual safety and magazine release, the Taurus G2C emerges as a compelling choice for value-conscious shooters seeking a reliable and concealable 9mm pistol for personal protection. Number 7. Taurus GX4. This American-made micro pistol caters to discreet carry users seeking a reliable option for personal defense. The GX4 features a lightweight polymer frame with a textured grip for secure handling, while the Tenefer finish slide ensures exceptional durability. It boasts a double-action-only operation, allowing for a deliberate first shot and a smooth single-action pull for subsequent shots. Taurus equips the GX4 with a striker-fired system for a consistent trigger pull. Safety features include an internal safety and a Taurus security system with a keyed lock for safe storage. The GX4 comes with 2 magazines, a 6-round flush-fit magazine for maximum concealment and a 7-rounder with a finger extension for improved grip and faster reloads. With its slim profile, manageable recoil, and multiple safety features, the Taurus GX4 emerges as a compelling choice for those seeking a comfortable, concealable, and reliable micro pistol in the 380 Auto caliber for everyday carry. Number 6. Taurus New GX4 TORO 9mm Optic Ready Micro Compact Pistol. It offers manageable recoil and significant stopping power for personal defense. This American-made micro pistol features a lightweight polymer frame for comfortable all-day carry, while the Tenefer finish slide ensures exceptional durability. The innovative TORO system incorporates a factory-cut slide for seamless mounting of micro red dot sights, allowing users to personalize their pistol for improved accuracy and faster target engagement in defensive situations. Standard iron sights are included for backup use. The GX4 TORO retains the reliable Taurus striker-fired action with a smooth trigger pull. Safety features include a Taurus security system with a keyed lock and a loaded chamber indicator for user awareness. With its 11-round magazine, with an extended 13-round option available, optic-ready design, and user-friendly controls, the Taurus GX4 TORO emerges as a compelling choice for concealed carry users seeking a reliable, micro-compact 9mm pistol with the potential for red dot sight advancement for improved personal protection. Number 5. Taurus GX4 Carry. It offers a slight size increase compared to the original GX4, while packing a significant stopping power punch. This American-made pistol features a lightweight polymer frame with an enhanced grip texture for secure handling during stressful situations. The Tenifer finish slide ensures exceptional durability. The GX4 Carry retains the reliable double-action-only operation for a deliberate first shot and a smooth single-action pull for subsequent shots. A Taurus striker-fired system ensures consistent trigger control. Safety features include an internal safety and the Taurus security system with a keyed lock for safe storage. The GX4 Carry boasts a significant upgrade in magazine capacity, featuring a standard 15-round magazine, exceptional for a micro-compact pistol, with an optional 17-round magazine available for extended fire capability. An accessory rail allows for the attachment of lights or lasers for improved visibility and target identification in low-light environments. With its increased firepower, comfortable ergonomics, and multiple safety features, the Taurus GX4 Carry emerges as a compelling choice for concealed carry users seeking a reliable and powerful micro-compact 9mm pistol for everyday personal protection. Number 4. Taurus G3XL HD. This Brazilian-made pistol caters to users seeking a reliable and feature-rich option for protecting their home and family. The G3XL HD boasts a full-size slide for a longer sight radius and improved accuracy, while the compact polymer frame ensures comfortable handling. The Tenifer matte black finish provides exceptional corrosion resistance. It features a reliable striker-fired action with a refined 6-pound trigger pull, allowing for a balance between control and quick follow-up shots during high-pressure situations. Standard sights include a fixed front sight and a drift-adjustable rear sight for fine-tuning target acquisition. Where the G3XL HD truly shines is its magazine capacity. With a standard 15-round magazine and compatibility with higher-capacity G3C magazines, it offers exceptional firepower for extended engagements. Safety features include a loaded chamber indicator and a Taurus security system with a keyed lock for safe storage and peace of mind. With its full-size slide performance, comfortable ergonomics, high magazine capacity, and user-friendly features, the Taurus G3XL HD emerges as a compelling choice for home defense use, offering reliable performance and ample firepower at an attractive price point. Number 3. Taurus GX4XL 9mm ADC Pistol. It offers a balance between manageable recoil and significant stopping power for personal defense situations. This American-made micro-compact pistol features a lightweight polymer frame with a textured grip for secure handling, while the Tenifer finish slide ensures exceptional durability. The innovative design keeps the profile slim for comfortable concealed carry, yet incorporates an extended length slide and barrel for improved accuracy and muzzle velocity over the original GX4. This translates to flatter trajectories and better downrange performance. The GX4XL boasts a reliable striker-fired action with a smooth trigger pull. Safety features include a Taurus security system with a keyed lock for safe storage and a loaded chamber indicator for user awareness. With its standard 11-round magazine, with an extended 13-round option available, and user-friendly controls, the Taurus GX4XL emerges as a compelling choice for concealed carry users seeking a reliable micro-compact pistol with a balance of comfort, firepower, and ballistic performance for everyday personal protection. Number 2. Taurus 917C returns as a budget-friendly option for concealed carry and target practice. Chambered in the popular 9mm Luger caliber, it offers a familiar double single-action operation and manageable recoil. This Brazilian-made pistol features a full-size aluminum frame for exceptional grip and stability, while the shorter 4.3-inch barrel makes it more compact for comfortable carry. The 917C boasts a Taurus signature flat-face and serrated trigger for improved control during shooting. Modern upgrades include an accessory rail for mounting lights or lasers for low-light versatility, and a reversible magazine release for ambidextrous operation. Safety features include a decocker for safe holstering and a visible loaded chamber indicator for user awareness. With its 18-round magazine capacity, improved ergonomics, and classic design, the Taurus 917C emerges as a compelling choice for value-conscious shooters seeking a reliable and versatile 9mm pistol for personal protection or target shooting. Number 1. Taurus TH10 offers a budget-friendly budget-friendly option for hunters, target shooters, and personal defense enthusiasts seeking a powerful and versatile handgun. This American-made pistol boasts a full-sized polymer frame for comfortable handling and reduced weight during carry. The stainless steel slide ensures exceptional durability, while a matte black finish provides a classic look. The TH10 features a hammer-fired double single-action operation, allowing for a deliberate first shot in double action and a lighter, crisp trigger pull in single action for subsequent shots. A combination safety and decocker lever allows for safe carry in either hammer down or cocked and locked positions, catering to user preference. Sights include a drift-adjustable rear sight and a white dot front sight for quick target acquisition. The TH10 comes standard with a 15-round magazine, offering ample firepower for various shooting applications. With its combination of affordability, power, and user-friendly features, the Taurus TH10 emerges as a compelling choice for shooters seeking a reliable 10cm pistol for hunting, target practice, or personal protection.